Hi, this is Cherie with Rehashfiber. Today I'm going to teach you a crochet stitch called the puff stitch. I'm going to show you how to make the puff stitch in crochet. Yarn over, go into the very next stitch and pull through. You're going to do this 4 times out of the same stitch. That was 1. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 4. It feels a little tight on my needle. I'm going to wiggle it a little bit because we have to yarn over and pull the yarn through all 9 stitches. When it's tight, it's hard to do. We did it and the puff looks nice. Now we chain 4, 1, as this pattern calls for, and we do a puff stitch again in the very next stitch. So we're going to do it one more time. Yarn over, go into the very next space, pull through. That's 1. Yarn over, into the next space, pull through 2, yarn over, same space, pull through 3, yarn over to the space, pull through 4. Again, 9 stitches on the needle. I want to loosen it a little, yarn over, pull through all 9. That happens sometimes, it gets caught up. I work it a little bit, be gentle. If it really doesn't go through, we'll just start again. It's not a big deal, but it did go through, and I'm going to chain 4. And there you go. We made a couple of puff stitches together. All right. Good luck and happy crocheting.